button so you know that. All right.
Good morning.
Welcome, guys. Good morning. Welcome
Good
to the
morning.
shit show.
Morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? So yeah, who bought the dip?
What was that?
Me. I bought the dip.
All right. Let me show you what was going on. So first of all,
I need your screen up there, mate.
one sec. Say again.
I need you to share your screen.
Oh yeah, share screen. All right, cool. Share screen. Right. First of all, right. So what we're gonna do? Let me just go through Ethereum. So last week, can you see my screen? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So basically,
yeah.
So what was going on was so last week there's been a lot of FUD around Ethereum. Everyone's talking about the gas fees are too high, it's not scalable, etc. It's an ETH killer, Cardano this, Cardano that, Solana, all this type of nonsense, yeah. And everyone was sort of saying Ethereum's dead. Ethereum is not going to do anything. It's dead. It's going to go to zero. Yeah. And when I started seeing that, I thought, yep, that means Ethereum's going to go up. This is what people were looking at. So, well, first of all, let's look at so people were looking at this huge red candle, yeah? That's what they were looking at. They were looking at that huge red candle. It's not red here, but yeah. They were looking at that. And they're also looking at the monthly candle with a wick like that. Now, obviously, if you know what you're doing, even if you see a candle like that, it doesn't mean that the market is bearish. It just means that there's a correction. People that are people that are so focused on trading candlestick patterns and formations and stuff like that will look at that and be like, oh, it's going to drop. But it's not a structure. If that was a structure and we wasn't in a flipping bull market, then yeah, possibly it's going to drop. But I knew that it was not going anywhere. It was only going to go up. So it's an up only situation. So I added a position here once I saw that daily close. So I'm expecting, even if you get to get a Fibonacci, one sec. This will go to this will get to 2-3. This will go to 3,000 before it pulls back again. I think this will go to 3. I think this will go to 3,000. So yeah, we didn't get any trades on our bot this week. Actually, did we, Joe? Ethereum bot.
I don't think there was anybody.
I didn't. No, I checked. I didn't get any trades. Did you get any Bitcoin trades over the weekend?
Yeah, I got some. And I got one BNB trade. Got some BNBs as well.
Really?
But I'm gonna look at it now, and I think I'm stuck in one Bitcoin trade. Yeah, I'm stuck in IOTA.
You're stuck in IOTA Bitcoin?
Yeah, but it was created on the 27th, so that should be, what the fuck is 27th? Yeah, created on Saturday. So that one I'm stuck in, like 1% drawdown, and IOTA as well. I had one Friday and 2 trades Friday, 1 trade Saturday, and then the 24th again. So
you've been getting quite a few trades then.
Yeah, 24th Wednesday. So it's kind of the difference between trading, I guess, the Ether bot and trading for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is kind of more volume into Bitcoin, so you tend to get a lot of more trades.
Yeah, on Bitcoin you get a lot more trades. That's what I've noticed. I didn't have a trade this week, which is annoying.
Yeah, but I see like one of the guys who runs the robot, he has actually done pretty nice on the BTC bot for, I think it's his third week running it now, but he's like stuck in one trade XVG from, let me see, the 21st first. So he's been in that since a bit over a week, and that's like in a 12% drawdown. And but it's coming back. But
much 12%.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I mean,
came on a big drop, but I'm gonna show this XCG chart to like try to. So
Go.
It looks kind of shit, to be fair, and I'm not really sure if I wanna keep trading this pair.
Okay.
This is hourly. It moves, but it doesn't move any.
Yeah, when the candles are like that, I hate it. It means the volume is low. Shitty volume, man. XVGs are shit, man.
So yeah, and as well, we were looking at. I remember we were looking at this on the last live, showing you guys this. So if you're watching this in replay or watching this live, let me see if I can find it. BNB. So basically, what we had on BNB, and as I said on Friday, was that you have the highs here, and you have a pretty impulsive break of the highs, high, and it just keeps going, and it gives you a counter trend candle, and then a candle the other way that doesn't break the low here, and what you then expect is a break of these lows, and then go and forming some kind of flag. So basically, we talked about that on Friday, I guess. No,
yeah,
was it Friday?
Yeah, I think it's Thursday or Friday. Yeah.
So like, didn't happen much during the weekend, but now we have this big bullish candle again, and it could be something about like options rolling over and contracts rolling over. And if we go back to like the end of January as well, so that would be here. Not much happened, but like on the first day of February, we started moving again.
I think it's because the futures contracts, they expire at the end of the month.
Yeah.
So I think same with Bitcoin. It expired at the end of
this is January. Same thing here. Like, kind of the last part of January was like a drop of 18%, and then you have the first bar here again, and then we start to go, and then like the next week, we actually managed to pull in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, if we count that in 7 days, 44% like the first week. So you could like think that you could like replicate this move again and do something similar now. 43%. Where will that take us? That will take us up here somewhere before, and then you can really start to see like how this market is moving.
If you look, I didn't share this image quickly. I want to show you something.
Yeah, perfect.
Let me just
pull it up. So now we can see like how this market is moving. I'll wait for.
Okay, 1 second.
To get it on. Up.
Down. Yeah, I'm just sending you an image.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you look at that, so we've just had a correction, maybe. So if we look at that, we're circled there. If you look how price has started to move, it's more aggressive than the first time. So look in that circle. Look how fast the price is moving up compared to the previous bull run. Look, the candles are a lot bigger. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So now we should start to see some proper like bullish momentum now.
Yeah, and for those of you who hasn't noticed it yet, this is 17. So this is the last start of the last bull run. Obviously, here you have the big push towards the end of the year, but price also traveled pretty aggressively here.
Yeah. That's
so
it.
So this would be our leg that we're putting in now, and you can also see like the stuff I was drawing in on the chart, on the BTC chart. You have the same thing here: up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, and we could try to like measure something here, just for fun of it. So I never use this tool, but so when you like to use the Fibonacci, don't you?
Well, not on Forex, bro, but on here it works.
Yeah. So this is a 50% retracement.
Yeah, exactly. It works. That's the thing. It works on there, man. It really does work. So
yeah, and here you have the last one.
You have to start using it.
So here you also have a 50% retracement. So you kind of see the market like start to pull together like some sort of structure and some sort of telling you what you want to do. So
do you know the good thing is if the market ever pulls back 50%, then you can literally do a big leverage trade.
Yeah.
Like you can literally do a 10x leverage.
Yeah. So this is the last time we did this, like the last 50 time, like 50% retracement. So which we're gonna do 100 again. Yeah. We're too far down. So like if we replicate this move, we're hitting like around 90k, and then if we do like then like let's just put in 90k. So 90k will take us up here somewhere if we pull the same stuff, and then you can start to measure the pullback again where to get your bias in on your Fibonacci's, because then you can do like this.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you have your drop down can be like to 68 or 70k. So that will replicate this move and this move.
Yeah, exactly. We just want to hope that we get a nice bull run. I'm expecting literally on some coins. I'm expecting a 10x. Let me share my screen, Jared.
Yeah. So you're on.
So Ethereum, cool. We're in that long. That was a big, deep pullback. So the biggest earner of today, Bake, is pulled back a little bit. Now, anyone who knows anything about Binance Chain or whatever knows that Binance Chain is going crazy right now. If you do your homework or your research and you look at an exchange and you look at any exchanges, so Cake, Bake, FTX, basically any exchange, yeah, their token, they always come out, it will do a 10x, no problem. It will always end up at $20, whatever. So this is an exchange that come out a couple of months ago, I think. I was talking about it up here, to be fair, before it dropped at like $2 or whatever. Like it came down, and last night I moved some of my Ocean, because Ocean doesn't really move that much. So I moved some of my Ocean up here, and now today this is doing quite a lot. It's up like 60%. Well, not 60% now, but it's up about 40%, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
What I'm going to be doing, this is basically just a pattern I've always traded. Look, so it goes up, price comes down here, boom, boom, buy it there, and it will go. This will do this will go to $20. I reckon this will do. If I just show you something similar, this is like, I don't know if you heard of Cake. Did I tell you about Cake? Pancake? Did I tell you about Pancake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look what Pancake done. Yeah. Look, this is it. Look, it pulled back, same as Bake, and it went from there. Right. I know this is a lot cheaper. Yeah. I know this is a lot cheaper, but even let's say we're here from the 11th of Jan. Yeah. Look, from the 11th of Jan. Look, it's done it's done over 3,000% since January, the 10th of Jan. Yeah, so that's in 2 months. I'm not saying that we're going to do that on Cake. You got to remember, Cake's more expensive. Cake is up here somewhere. Yeah. But look, Cake's at $1. What's it at now? $1.40 or whatever it is. Look, even if you get that's a 10x. Look, 25th of Jan to here. That's 27 days.
Yeah.
1 month. 1 month, and you get 14x. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what happens. Yeah, that's what happens when you trade exchanges, because exchanges, they get a lot of volume, so they move very, very smooth. Look how smooth that's moving. Look, it just goes up. So this is what's going to happen if you look at HTR as well. I call the same thing on HTR. One sec. HTR.
Have they launched that project on Binance yet? Or is it still on KuCoin?
No, they haven't. They're going to, but they haven't. Look, I was calling HTR up here somewhere, yeah? Granted.
Yeah, I remember you did it.
Where are we? Yeah, fucking annoying, bro. Look, there. Boom. Look, this has gone up. All right, cool. This is a 4x, but that's not been that long. That literally took like a week, I think. Yeah, 10 days. 10 days, you're getting a 3x. All these little projects, these are the ones you need to be getting in. Dot and all these other projects, they're cool, but there's so much hype around them, they don't move the same because everyone is just over leveraged in these projects, yeah? So, Bake, I'm calling it now. This is going to be huge in the short term. So, look.
Yeah, I actually jumped the gun.
This thing's going to go to like 15, 20.
I jumped the gun quite early on Bake, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter, bro. Trust me. This time next week, it'll be back up here, bro. It'll be up. Yeah. It'll be like $4. Trust me.
I think I bought it at like something like 1.7 or something.
Yeah, this thing will pretty. This look. If we just catch the breakout, yeah. Even if it's the same, well, it's going to go $6 at least. Yeah, there's the breakout, maybe $11, something like that. So you can expect impulse, correction, impulse again. So there's no reason why this can't do a 5x in this month.
Nice, Michael. Nice. Yeah, well, we have been trading full time for. Yeah, I've been trading full time for 2 years now, and Daniel's been trading full time for. I traded part time before and left my job and traded full time. And Daniel has been trading full time since. How long has you been trading full time? 15?
No, I started in 2014, but I didn't trade full time until about 17.
Yeah.
2017. So yeah.
But this is actually something we have been speaking a lot about, Michael, as well in the group, and we have been speaking a lot about it. And there's a big difference between trading and investing. So right now, a lot of people are investing in the crypto market, and that's fine. But we came from a background with the forex trading and stocks trading and everything you can trade, and for us, we kind of look for the perfect entry because we want to like that. That's how we thought to do it, like technically. But like there's no like wherever you want to put your money now, as long as you put them in the right projects, you can't lose the money now.
Yeah, exactly. So everyone thinks there's some sort of everyone thinks they're like some sort of trade, everyone thinks they're like a trader and a professional. But like I keep saying on Twitter or whatever, if you want to follow me on Twitter as well, guys, there's my handle at the bottom there, quant_in_crypto. There's a big difference between trading and investing. Anyone can make money in this market. You can literally get every project in the top 10, put it on a dartboard, throw a dart and pick your coin. It doesn't matter. What's going to make you sort of survive and thrive in this industry? You need to accept, obviously, that the market's going to pull back. You need to accept there's going to be corrections, and you need to be able to manage your emotions and your risk as well. So once this ball runs over in December or whenever it may be, me and Joe will still be here. We'll still be here. Our bots will still make money in the bear market. The market will be going down, dropping. The arse will fall out of it, and me and Joe will still be making good money here because we've got robots and because we know what we're doing. A lot of these other guys, they're only here when the market's green. As soon as it goes red, they'll be back to fitting kitchens and all this type of stuff. So, it's not. This is easy with what's going on now. You can literally just buy the market right now, buy every coin, and just continue going to work for the next few months. It doesn't mean that you're gonna prevail in this industry and you're gonna be successful long term.
No, it doesn't. That doesn't necessarily mean that.
It's like all these guys on TikTok at the moment, because all the stocks were flying. Tesla, they was like, oh my god, stocks. Everyone thought it was so easy. Yeah, everyone thinks it's easy to trade stocks and everything's this and it's all that. It's not going to end well for some people because they just think they think they can put £1,000 in an account, risk it all on one trade and then make money. And they think, because some of these stocks now they're moving like crypto, Joe. You know that?
Oh, the stocks, yeah.
Some of the stocks is moving like crypto, bro. I've seen my mate showed me some of them are moving like 60% a day and stuff normally. I'm thinking, ooh, it's moving like crypto, bro. Some of the stocks. So
yeah. But what's your prediction on XLM?
I don't know. XLM will do what it has to do. It'll fix a let's have a look at XLM. XLM, if you look at it, you look at my screen on? Yeah. If you look at XLM,
what
actually moves it moves well.
Yeah, moves nice.
It just goes, look, boom, boom, boom. Like it's lovely, you know. It's a good project to be in. XLM, I trust it, and they've got I think they've got a contract in Ukraine or Romania, places like that. So XLM's a good one. It moves good. It just pushes up. And the good thing about XLM is once it pumps up here, you know that you don't want to be sitting in here for a month like that. So you just get out. You just get out and you look for another opportunity elsewhere. What else we got?
How's Flamingo doing? That's kind of bouncing back now.
Yeah, Flamingo's corrected, man. All these are the same. Flamingo, Ocean, Rune. They're all doing the same sort of thing. The ones that perform the best are the exchanges.
Yeah,
that's what. Remember, all the exchanges. Look, so remember, Sushi, and Uniswap. Look at Uniswap. If you look, one sec. If you look at how the market moves, so look. Remember, I was telling you about Bake earlier. Yeah, when Bake was $1.
Yeah,
Bake's $1 something. Right. So let's go down here. Look. Boom, $1. Look how long it took to get from $1 to 10. Let's see how long it took to get from $1 to $10. It basically took 2 months.
Yeah, 12x.
Yeah, it took 2 months. One sec. Yeah, it took 2 months to do a 10x. It took 3 months. You get a 10x in 3 months if you're in an exchange. These are all exchange projects. That's why they move so fast. Look, Sushi, same thing. That's an exchange as well. Sushi Swap. Look, same thing. This is why you got to get in Bake. Look, so to get from $1, which is Bake's at $1 or whatever this is, to do a 10x or even just to get where it is now, it's nearly done a 10x and it's been. It was up here. Look, 2 months.
Yeah.
So in 2 months, you can get a 10x. This is why I'm scaling into Bake. Once Bake, pull back a little bit now, yeah. But once Bake does this, Bake will go like that. I'm going to be getting in, adding more, because I know that Bake's just going to go to $10. I know it. So,
you care to answer this question here? Put it all up on the screen.
Do you think 22.5 billion Stellar Lumens is too many? I've heard people say they don't like how there are so many, but I'm unsure. I'm very new to crypto. Bro, you know what the thing is? Right now, it doesn't matter. People are just buying into the hype. They're just buying into the hype. So it doesn't actually matter. It doesn't matter. People are just buying into anything at the moment. So this bull run, it doesn't matter. It will go long. You got Ethereum is unlimited coins. Ethereum, but does that matter? No, it doesn't. It's going to go long. Stellar, it does the job. What's Stellar again? Is it XLM?
Yeah, it's
One sec.
Yeah, XLM, yeah. XLM.
Yeah, XLM, yeah. Stellar will go long. You got to remember what the use case. You got to remember what the use case is as well for Stellar. So Stellar is basically the same as Ripple. So in theory, 22 billion, it might not be that much. Reason being is all these institutions need to hold Stellar. So if you've got all these banks around the world and they want to transact with other banks, a bank transacting with another bank, they're not going to be doing Mickey Mouse transactions. It's going to be in the millions and billions of pounds. So they're going to need to hold a lot of Stellar if they're looking to transact. So maybe that's why the supply is so high. Imagine you got half the banks in the world or a quarter of the banks in the world looking to transact in 5 seconds. They're all going to need significant amounts of it to be able to do their job. If the bank wants to send 17 million from Saudi to LA, do you know what I mean? They're going to need a lot of coins. So, and if you've got all of banks doing
that's the main use of both Stellar and Ripple, ain't it? Like to be able to actually send like pesos to dollars or whatever, or euros to dollars or through Stellar.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. So yeah, I think that's fair enough. If you have to give one piece of advice in regards to trading, what would that be?
Stay humble.
Yeah, no, not yeah. I suppose. One piece of advice: just know your just know your well, manage your risk is the first one. Like you're not going to get anywhere without managing risk. If you're talking about in crypto, risk doesn't matter that much. Just don't trade leverage. Don't trade leverage. That's number one. Number two, know what suits you. So personally, you should be trading patterns. You should always look for like a breakout or something, something that supports your thesis. So if you're gonna, for instance, look, if you're gonna trade patterns, and this is your type of pattern, then this is it. So you get a move up, then you get 1, 2, that support there, that level gets broken. As soon as the price goes back in there, you buy it and it goes long. That could be your setup. So just trade the same setup all the time. And
don't buy the pumps. Like I know it's tempting, and I still kind of
don't buy the. You can buy the pump in crypto, but it's just going to put you behind.
Yeah,
it's going to put you behind. You need to be buying it. Let me just show you one sec. So, like I said, like this is my sort of pattern. So I move up and then a correction like that, boom, boom, like that, gone. Same thing with Bake. Yeah. So Bake, same thing. Yeah, you got up here. You got a pattern. Yeah. But don't buy the pump. Don't buy the pump, because buying the pump you're just gonna end up sitting in stuff for no reason. You just sit in stuff for no reason. Even if you look at Doge, I don't trade Doge, it's a shit coin. But look, you buy the pump, you end up sitting in it. Yeah, look. You just sit in it for a month. Again, look, pump, you just sit in it for a month, nothing happens. So don't wait. You should be you should be buying the pullbacks. So you should be waiting for the pump, wait for the correction, and then you should be buying in these sort of areas here. Don't FOMO into the market because you don't get anywhere. In crypto, you can FOMO into the market and still make money, but it just holds you back. That's the problem. With Forex or stocks or anything like that, you can't FOMO because you FOMO in and you just get crushed.
Yeah, you're going to get absolutely smashed if you do that.
You bought the Nokia pump. Yeah, forget about, bro. Let me tell you one thing. If you're new to this whole thing, forget about stocks. Forget stocks for now. Stocks should only be traded if you understand the company and you understand like the accounts. Like you shouldn't even trade a stock unless you've looked at like the accounts, like the money in, money out, the profit earnings ratio, like how much money they're making. You can literally go and see online. If you go to Yahoo Finance and you go on Nokia, you can look at their books. My friend actually bought Nokia a month or two ago, and their accounts look good. Like they're making more profit each year, so it's a good buy. But he was in before the pump, I think. You obviously FOMO'd into it, so now you're probably stuck into it. But yeah, you shouldn't necessarily. If you're buying a stock, you shouldn't necessarily look at the technicals first. You should look at the fundamentals, look at the accounts, look at the books. Once you've done that, then you look for a technical entry. Once you've done all that.
them.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, to be honest. What else?
Not much.
Yeah.
Much.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this. This I think BNB could really have a great week ahead of it.
Sorry, Michael. If you want to buy stocks at the moment, I'd tell you the best thing to concentrate on is like energy stocks, so hydrogen storage. So without going into it too much, obviously everyone's trying to go green and this type of stuff. Hydrogen is the new like chosen energy. So houses in the future, houses are going to be heated with using hydrogen because the waste is literally just water instead of like carbon monoxide. So hydrogen storage is huge. Obviously electric vehicles, all that type of stuff. What else? Psychedelics. Psychedelics are going to be huge. Yeah. Once crypto's finished, I'm getting into psychedelics. I'll show you an ETF quickly. PS what? I can't remember the fucking name of it. One sec.
Psychedelics, yeah.
Yeah, this is a psychedelic ETF. Now, obviously, it's come out, it's gone up, it's pulled back, but this is going to be a good buy for the long term. This is an ETF, so all it is a few stocks put into one stock. That's all it is.
How is Cybin looking? Cybin?
What's Cybin again?
That's psychedelics.
Oh yes.
They raised like $20 million or something, like a couple of months, 1 month ago or something like that.
Yeah, they're on a pullback. Cybin. Yeah. No, is this even? Wait, one sec.
No, that's the wrong. No, that's the right chart, I guess.
It should be. No, it's this one. Yeah, this is Cybin. Do you know what attracts me to these stocks? They're so fucking cheap, bro.
Yeah, I know.
This is going to be like crypto. Trust me, this is going to be huge. Look, $1.60. It's like a penny stock, and it's been correcting for a few weeks now, since December.
Yeah,
this is a good buy.
And you also have the is this on the Canadian Stock Exchange?
Yeah, but it's cheap. That's the thing. The market caps of these companies are like 10 million or something. They're low, so they're not even going to be on a proper stock exchange. They're small. These companies are tiny.
Yeah, and the Canadians are like really now starting to like put like psychedelics into treatments for like depression, anxiety, and stuff like this. They're actually starting to use this stuff as medication, and this is probably why this company are good to be invested in.
Yeah, psychedelics is huge. My plan is, this is my plan. So after crypto, one sec.
After crypto, yeah.
Yeah. So after crypto, so let's say I'm expecting crypto to move down to like maybe stop the fourth quarter of this year. Yeah. So after crypto, I'm looking to take my money out, not all of it, probably 25% of it, and I'm going to put 25 in stocks. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was 25 in stocks, so I'm going to put.
So.
Euro.
Basically. Yeah, I'm gonna show my screen here. So basically, this is a monthly chart for Euro USD, and this is what I think is gonna happen now. So this is like a descending channel that's Euro USD has been going through like since last 12 years. Now we finally broke out. Scale down to the daily. We have like something similar here, like a bull flag here. I think this price is going to fool us all because people now expect the dollar to strengthen down here in this area here again, somewhere, and then go.
What's this one again? What's this one? BNB?
Nah, it's Euro USD.
Oh yeah, Euro. Yeah. Do you know what I was thinking as well? So basically, cut a long story short, we're At the moment, it doesn't matter, yeah, but we're making money, cool. But once the markets top out, we're going to be sitting in dollars, and the dollar is deteriorating.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so what we need to do is we need to hold our money in another currency, like pounds or something. We need to hold our money in a different currency. So if we hold our money in pounds, we can still trade a lot of Binance pairs. We'll just do that. So then, because there's no point in holding your money in dollars when the dollar is just getting weaker. Like over the period of like a few months, your money will be like worth 10% less, or maybe 5% or something like that. Your buying power just decreasing. Nokia is the only individual stock I've messed with. I'm sticking to ETFs at the moment. Yeah, ETFs are your best bet. If you don't know what you're doing trading stocks, ETFs are your best bet, because the ETF is just a basket of stocks, the best ones, and the money managers put them all together, and that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing psychedelic ETFs and energy ETFs, just to keep it nice and simple, you know. I will do a few individual stocks, but ETFs are the one. ETFs are the one. They're good. And you're not going to get crypto gains out of them, but you'll still get like a 2x a year or a 3x, something like that. You still double, triple your money on a good stock, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah. What's that there, Joe? What's that?
This is Bitcoin.
Fucking Bitcoin. Pumping, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, I see a lot of people making extreme predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do you think Bitcoin could ever hit six figures? I would be disappointed if Bitcoin doesn't go to 100K.
Go on Bitcoin, Joe. Go to the monthly time frame.
This is the monthly.
Zoom out. No. Right. Go to that. Right. What have you got? Go to the bottom right of your screen where it says log.
Log?
Yeah, log. Click that. Right. Now put it down. Right. Now draw a trend line from that. Scroll up a bit to make it taller. Make it taller. Yeah. Now draw that trend line. And the top. Draw the top.
Share your screen. You can do it instead of commanding me around.
Yeah, I'll do it. Is my screen shared?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So look, that's what's going on with Bitcoin. So look, that's where it's going. It's going there. $200 something, $200 something $1,000. That's what it's doing this year. That's what is going on. That's what's going on.
Could be.
Yeah.
Pull up that Glassnode indicator, please.
The what?
The Glassnode indicator.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Which one? Wait, let me just share. Let me share it. 1 sec. Share screen. Which one?
Recommendations to read charts like technicals. I know I learned them on Baby Pips. I think you can do.
Yeah, technicals. Your best bet if you want to do technical, if you just want to learn technicals, is follow an account called Technical FX. Technical FX on YouTube. It's a friend of mine. His name's Fordy. Adam. Is it Adam?
Fordy.
Yeah, Fordy. Yeah, Technical FX. They're a good guy. He's a good guy. He'll teach you all the technical stuff. So right, this is how we're getting on right now.
You might want to explain what this is first again.
Yeah, so I'll read it to you guys. Right. So this is basically what we call the net unrealized profit and loss indicator. It's basically the difference between relative unrealized profit and relative unrealized loss. So basically, this metric can also be calculated by subtracting the realized cap from the market cap and dividing the result by the market cap as described. Yeah. So basically, this shows you when the market as a whole is in profit. So down here in the red is where you want to be accumulating. Yeah. So as soon as it turns red, that's when you have to start thinking, right, I need to start buying crypto or whatever. As soon as this goes red, yeah. Anytime it goes red, you need to buy it. But sometimes you haven't got long, yeah. So like here you had from September 2011 to December. So you had like 3 months, yeah. Here you had about 4, 5, 6 months. Even though the bear market is last year's, it only gets to the bottom. It only gets to the accumulation stage for about 6 months.
Yeah.
So all these people that say, oh, you need to dollar cost average. No, you don't dollar cost average. What you do, yeah, is save your fucking money and wait till this goes red, and then you buy. There's no point in buying, yeah, when the market's up here and your money's just going down. You put in 5 grand, it goes down, it goes down, it goes down. No. Wait till it gets red and then start. Then you can dollar cost average while it's red. That's what you do. Dollar cost average while it's red, and you're going to make more money. You see, if it goes blue, that is when when you need to take profit, or when you need to start. Oh, God, wisdom too. That's when you need to start scaling out. Let me just blow my nose quickly. 1 second. Oh.
Yeah, right. No worries. No worries. Yeah, so Baby Pips is, I think that's completely free to use, so you can learn like the basics there. I think they have some technicals as well. I remember I used it a bit when I started out trading, and Technical FX is your friend, Fody. I think
Technical FX, that's your guy. Go to him, he'll show you the technical stuff. So basically, guys, what you do is when you're looking at on-chain analysis, you don't need to worry about all these insignificant pullbacks and corrections in price, because it doesn't matter. All of that stuff is insignificant. When you're zoomed in, when you're zoomed in and you're looking at these small, stupid little swings like that, obviously you're going to be emotional because you're zoomed in. Oh my God, it's pulled back. Look, when you zoom out and you realize how insignificant that little shitty pullback was, look, the market's gone up, it's pulled back, it's gone up, it's pulled back, it's going up. Like, you don't need to worry about anything. This is simple stuff. This is a stock to flow ratio. You should be loading right now, hopefully. So this is another simple chart. So let me put some more in here. Right. So this is basically a stock to flow model. So it's based on time and scarcity. Yeah. I'll just read the bottom to you quickly. So the stock to flow model, S/F ratio, is a popular model that assumes that scarcity drives value, which means that basically the less of something there is, the more expensive it gets. Simple. So if you look, so if you look, this is obviously the bull run, correction, bull run. So we're basically here right now, yeah. So it's changed to sort of this color. So if you look, so we're about here. We're about here, and as you can see, the last time it was this color, not the last time, but the time before that it was this color, was the 10th of March. So we're right on track to do exactly the same thing that it's done here. So if you look down here, it's gone a bit blue. Cool. It was March, and it stopped going up. What date did it stop going up? December, 16th of December. So we've still got 9 months. So no one's got anything to worry about. Again, same again. Here. It's a nice little blue color there. Boom. What date was that? Right, February the 27th, you could argue, or March the 25th. Cool. It's within a month of each other. When does this stop going up? December to 15th. Again, we've still got 8-9 months, so it doesn't actually matter what's going on in between that. You just need to buy every dip. Once this gets up here, yeah, and it turns this yellow color here, once it goes past here and it goes up there somewhere, and it's past this yellow color, and it's just this funny yellow color, that's when you have to start thinking, right, it's that yellow color. Let me be careful. Let me flick back to this. Yeah, and let me check if this is blue. If that's blue, then what you need to realize is that, right, once it's blue, the top could be in. So what you need to do, once it goes blue, you go like this. Oh, wait a minute. Shit, I'm in the wrong place. 1 sec, sorry. Oh, God. What am I doing? Right. So this is the top. Yeah? This is the top of, and that was in the start of 2018. Was it? Sorry, 2017, sorry. 2018 start. So this was the top. So the indicator, look, it went blue. It went blue, yeah, on the 6th of December. And then the 17th is when it started to drop. So you had about 10 days.
Yeah.
So the 6th of December. So if I take you back to shit,
so how much cash do you think you need to be putting into to realize any good profits with Bitcoin? Well, it depends on the person, I guess. So what would change your life? Like, and I think we still can do like some coins can still do like a 10 or 20x from here if you like pick the right coin. And then you could just have to, like, say you put in $1,000. If you can make that to 20K for during this year, would that be like life-changing for you? Then probably 10K is 1K is nice to start with.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just looking here. 16, yeah. So, can you see the screen, Joe?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So this is where the indicator changed. That's where the indicator changed blue, yeah?
Yeah.
That's where it changed blue. And that's where the actual top was.
Nice having you, Michael.
Yeah, so that's 10 days. You had 10 days. But after it changed blue, it pulled back. Oh, shit. After it changed blue, it pulled back. So this is literally what you have to be careful of. So once it changes blue, take some profit. It will pull back for another couple of days. Then you buy it again. But it didn't go up that much after. Because if you look, it literally went up 13%, and then that was the top. So you just need to keep your eye on it. Keep watching this channel. And that's about it. But listen, make sure you guys jump in the Discord group.
Yeah.
Michael, I know you're there. If you're in the Discord group, click the link in the bio in the description. You can get in the Discord group. Click there. Follow me on Twitter as well. My Twitter's down there somewhere. Quant_in_crypto. And make sure you like.
Yeah. Make sure you like the video and have a nice day. Thanks, guys.